Hello everyone. Today we are near Balewadi High Street and this is a new launch project. The project name is The Canary by Kunal Developers and this is a spacious 3 BHK sample flat of 1108 square feet carpet area. So this is your main entrance door. At the entrance you will get video door phone system and your main entrance door will have biometric lock system, digital door lock system. And now let's see the sample flat. This is your living cum dining space. It is an L-shaped living cum dining. So living and dining both are separated. As you can see, this is your living area. It is a fully furnished sample flat, so you will get an idea for how your flat will look after furnishing the apartment. So this is your living area. This side will be space for television, which is just beside the entryway to your balcony. This is a very spacious balcony which will be covered from top. It will have anti-skated tiles just like this and toughened glasses just like this, and you can see it is covered from top, so privacy is fully maintained and you can utilize this area properly. So this balcony is attached to your living room. After this, you can see this side is your dining area. A 6-seater dining table can be placed. A dedicated space has been given for your dining area. So you can see it is properly L-shaped. Behind your dining area, you have entryway to your kitchen. So it is a covered kitchen, closed kitchen. This is your L-shaped kitchen platform. The material used is an engineered stone. This is a very new concept in this real estate market. It is not a black granite normal platform, a very new concept. It is engineered stone. So kitchen is spacious. This side can be your refrigerator area. Here you can place your microwave oven, and this is your dry balcony. A very spacious one. This side will have provision for washing machine and this side will be another platform with a sink provided. So this sink can be utilized as dishwashing, and the sink which is provided inside your kitchen, it can be utilized as vegetable washing. It will have PMC water connection and borewell connection 24/7. So this was your kitchen. Now we'll see the 3 bedrooms. First bedroom is just opposite to your kitchen. So this can be converted into a family room, theater room, guest room, anything as per your requirement. So very huge bedroom. You can see how beautifully it has been decorated to give you an idea how you can create this space, how you can convert this bedroom into a full length window has been given. So all the glasses which has been used in your windows and balcony, these are all soundproof glasses. Since we have high-rise towers, so we have total 8 residential towers in which we have 2 and 3 BHK apartments. All towers will be of 30 floors, 2 level of parking plus 30 floors. So all are high-rise towers. So we have to provide this kind of glasses. Now this passage will take you towards the 2 master bedrooms. Before that, this is common washroom. So the fittings except the furniture all will be same, like your CP sanitary fittings. CP fittings you can see by Grohe, sanitary fittings by Toto, and the tile selection will be also same. So after this, in front of your common washroom you have second bedroom. This is children bedroom, fully furnished. You can see a queen sized bed has been placed, a wardrobe has been placed, also some furniture and TV unit setup is there. So very huge bedroom you can imagine, because still ample space is available. This is your second bedroom, first master bedroom of this apartment, and it will also have a balcony, you can see. So this balcony will be provided. This is the second balcony of this apartment after your living room, and this is attached washroom of this bedroom. Again, all fittings except furniture will be same. CP sanitary, wash basin, window, everything will be same. So this was your second bedroom. This is the balcony, so it will give you 180-degree view. You can see a panoramic view will be given from this balcony. You can see nothing is in front of this three-side open balcony, so good for ventilation. And after this you have the third bedroom and second master bedroom of this apartment. This is also very spacious one. This is 14 by 11, very spacious bedroom. You can see every furniture has been placed, beds, wardrobes, electrification, TV unit, and this side will be a very huge window having same quality glasses as I said earlier, and an attached washroom. This is third washroom of this apartment. So this is a very premium segment which has been launched in Balewadi, near Balewadi High Street, and we are having some good offers since it is a new launch project. We have 2 and 3 BHK apartments. We also have simplexes like 4.5, 6.5 BHK. Okay, so please contact us to get more details. Our official number has been mentioned below this video. Please like this video, share to your friends, relatives, and do subscribe our channel to get more updates regarding this video. So thank you so much. We will be waiting for your feedbacks and responses. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.